Hi, today I'm going to show you why DeepSeek just threw OpenAI's O1 model right out of the water. Now, you see, I found their scientific paper on Cornell University here, and I want to show you the benchmark statistics inside of it. Now, you see that DeepSeek is the one with the blue slash line here, you can see, and OpenAI's O1 model is the one on the darker gray section here. Now, you can see on most part, they're pretty neck and neck, right? So AIM in code forces, they're pretty neck and neck. In GPA QA Timon, you can see R1 is actually a lot worse than O1's model, but you can see it thrives in other model as well because on Math 500 here, you can see it's better by 1 point, right? But on other categories, it's pretty neck and neck. Now, if you don't trust benchmark tests, that's okay. But I think the most interesting part about the R1 model is that it has reinforced learning. Now you can see there's the algorithm right here that I've read and I've understood. You can see reinforced learning algorithm here. Now this looks complicated, but it's very, very interesting. But let me try to make it more simple for you. Now, for OpenAI, they use something called reinforced learning from human feedback. What it basically means is that there's gonna be a human that's gonna show ChatGPT how to do problems, show him or it step-by-step solution, and then it'll reevaluate the feedback based off that. So basically, it needs hand-holding for it to learn efficiently. But for R1, it does reinforcement learning, which basically it does it on its own. It'll learn, it'll try stuff out on its own, and then it'll evaluate based off that to make itself better. So basically, it's independent, right? It learns by its own, just like a real human. Now, this is why that DeepSeek is probably being said to be better than O1 because it learns much, much, much better. So, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.